Hello! Welcome to Make Believable, where we bring your creations to life. Have you ever made a piece of art that looks so delicious you could just eat it all up? This is where that dream can happen. I'm Artsy Annie, and this is the Artsy Studio. Would you like to come with me on an adventure today to make a very special person's drawing real? Yeah? Come on, let's go.
Have you ever truly wondered what you could create? Grab your pencil or your crayons, get it on the page. We'll make your dragon breathe some fire, make your tiger roar. If you dream it, we can build it, make believable. Grab your drawing, join the fun, make believable. Art is fun for everyone, make believable. Make believable. Make believable!
Yeah! I am super duper excited to introduce you to my guest today. She's very special because she actually inspired this show. So let's put our fingers in the air and do some sparkle fingers for the one, the only Gwendolyn! Yay! Welcome, Gwendolyn. Thank you so much for being here.
No problem.
So you drew some absolutely incredible art for us. Gwendolyn is very special because she inspired this whole show. During the pandemic, when we were all stuck at home, Gwendolyn would draw things and then I would make them. And that's how Make Believable came to be.
I can confirm this. I drew a lot, like a lot. So I didn't really have anything else to do since we're all trapped inside for a while.
Absolutely. And one of the things that you would do is draw baking. And then we would bake it. Right? It was a lot of fun.
It was actually a lot of fun, like just making my own concepts that just came straight from my head. It was like really nice.
And I love your sparkly eyes.
Oh, thank you. I have a lot of rhinestones I get to wear since I like just being sparkly. I like being sparkly.
Did you know that we do sparkle fingers here in the Artsy Studio?
We do?
Yeah. Did you want to do some sparkle fingers with me?
Sure.
Okay. We raise our hands in the air and we do sparkle fingers.
That's right.
That's exactly it.
Do you include my thumbs? I do not include my thumbs.
So, Gwen, why don't you tell me a little bit about what you drew today?
So as you can probably see, I was inspired by the sunset. At the top layer, we have the sun at the top, and then slowly descends into the bottom where it's like a dark blue with like the moon down there. And then the center is like the clouds you you see at the sunset, like this like in the sky.
Oh, like the beautiful different colored clouds.
Yeah, you can still see like this one up here is more like a lighter blue, while it descend like the ones close to the base go to this more like goldeny than orange.
Right.
And then then you can probably see there's like some stained glass looking like.
Yeah, what is that? It's like an arch that's over top of the sun at the top of the cake.
I was like inspired by, like prisms and stuff because when the sun like as you know like some glass that like when the sun goes through it causes like a rainbow. Except I wanted to also like as the sun goes through these prisms, it's like colors that like match with the sunset.
Oh, so pretty.
And then as it descends, it gets darker at the bottom where like there's some, you can probably see there's some randomly like lighter like beige panes that's supposed to be like randomly stars.
Yeah. Oh, this is so creative. Wow. What is your favorite type of art?
I think definitely it's more like traditional like drawing, like drawing or like digital when you make all colorful and stuff. When you don't have the colors, you actually have in your drawer.
Right.
Since normally like my colors in the drawers, it's a bit harder to find the exact color you need to make it pop just like in your head. But digitally, you have the whole color wheel there. You just go whoop, whoop, and then color it in.
Oh, that makes so much sense. You have access to basically every little creative thing that you could want.
Exactly.
What medium did you use to make this art?
I started it out traditional because I just want to get them like right sketch down, because the thing with like digital, sometimes like it's harder to just imagine perfectly. So I originally took it as like traditional, and then took a photo, and then I like outlined it digitally, and then I colored it in.
Wow, so this was all done with digital art.
Yes.
Wow. Oh my goodness. I think that any artist who gets their hand on this is going to have so much fun with it. But the one that we have picked out for you today is going to make it so sparkalicious that we're just going to want to eat it all up when it's done.
But what if it's so perfect that we don't want to eat it?
Oh, well, we'll see. Are you ready to go off to the studio and then we'll go get this made?
Yes, I am.
Excellent. Let's take this drawing from make-believe to make-believable. Come on, let's go. Would you like to sing a song with me? Let's sing a song about baking a cake. This one's called Pat a Cake. There's hand movements that you can do with me too. First, we pat our hands. Then we roll, and we pat our chests. And then we throw into the oven at the end. Let's bake a cake for Gwendolyn. Here we go. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and pat it and mark it with a G for Gwen and throw it in the oven for Gwen and me. Would you like to try that again with me? Here we go. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and pat it and mark it with the G and throw it in the oven for Gwen and me. Thank you so much for singing a song with me. Let's go see how Gwen's doing at the bakery. Hi, Holly.
Hi, guys. How are you?
We're really well. This is Gwen.
Hi, Holly.
Holly is a fantastic baker who owns Punk Rock Pastries.
Awesome.
Holly makes all sorts of delicious food.
I sure do.
What's your favorite thing to bake?
Anything with sugar.
Anything with sugar. Well, we like to eat anything with sugar.
Me too.
And when did you start baking?
I started baking when I was 5.
5 years old? That's really young. That's really neat. So you could be baking at home, but ask your parents about it.
Very important.
Gwen drew a beautiful picture of a cake, and we're wondering if you would like to make it.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, I can't wait to see this picture.
Would you like to help us make this sparkalicious cake go from make-believe to make-believable?
Oh my god, yes!
What do you think, Gwen?
I'm so excited. Yes, let's do this.
All right, let's do it. Awesome. Come on back, guys. Oh, thank you, Holly. Wow, there's already a cake here.
I'm already started.
What?
Whoa.
But Gwen, do you want to help me finish it?
Of course.
Yay! Awesome. Why don't you get in there?
We're gonna cover the cake in fondant. Do you know what fondant is?
No, I did not.
Lots of sugar. So, do you want to grab that side? Put your hands right underneath. It's very delicate. We're gonna lift it, and then we're gonna put it right on top, just like that. Keep the hair out of your way. We're gonna use our hands, and we're gonna smooth down the sides, and we're gonna push it in. So we're gonna pat it gently, like we'd be patting a puppy.
Ooh.
So it's kind of created a little skirt.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to cut that off now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a knife. Now this is very sharp.
Careful, like when doing this at home.
Yes.
Let your parents do this part.
So we're going to cut all the way around the outside here. And do you want to catch the fondant as it falls? Wow. Okay, we're going to keep spinning. There we go.
It almost looks like marshmallow.
It tastes like marshmallow too.
And it feels almost like Play-Doh.
Yeah, it is a lot of fun to play with. Okay, now we are ready to airbrush.
Yay!
So, this is pretty white. It doesn't look anything like your drawing, so we need to add some color.
Yes, we do.
Okay, so we're going to use an airbrush gun to use some color. So an airbrush gun pushes with air and it pushes the color onto the cake.
That makes sense.
Okay, so...
Oh, it's purple!
That's so cool.
Holy cow! So we're going to add some different colors because we want it to look like the night sky, right?
Yeah, that's unique.
Okay, so what about blue?
Oh, that looks so cool.
Hey, now do you want to go?
Yes, please.
All right. So you put your finger right here, and then you're just going to push down and pull the trigger all the way back. Whoa! There we go. Oh, that's very dark there.
The best thing that I like to do is I like to create patterns. So I like to do purple. Oh, that makes sense. So you can make some scribbles. That's so pretty. It looks like jewels. Wow.
How fast was that?
But it's so fast.
Wow. Look at the beautiful colors. There's blue and there's purple. It's so pretty.
It is so pretty. I can't wait to finish the rest of the cake.
I'm so excited to see what the result is.
It's sparktastic. What's next, Holly?
Well, if you give me some time, I'll finish your cake for you.
Wow. So we can come back and it'll be all done?
It will be all done.
What do you say, Gwen?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see you in a bit. I'll say bye. Bye. Okay, Gwen. Are you ready to see your creation?
Bring it over me.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so cool. What do you think?
My gosh, it's so cool.
Look at the clouds.
They're just sending the color like, oh.
Does it looks like you're drawing.
Yes.
Oh my god, look at all the pretty colors.
You even got the exact like triangles on the top of the sun.
What's your favorite part?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, that's a rough question. Like the cafe is so awesome, but also like the base layer, like it looks like definitely starts to see. Oh, and also the marble. Oh my gosh, it's also it looks so pretty.
I love the
arches of moving
arch. Yeah, it looks like fire coming up.
Exactly.
It's so cool. It's sparktastic. Should we dig in?
Let's do it.
Oh my. Thank you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead, Gwen. Wow, it's so tall. Look at the pretty colors. Okay, I'll take this piece that fell. Ready? Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
That's so good. Delicious. It's sparkalicious. Wow, we could eat that all day.
How about tomorrow we just eat cake all day? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
There's enough of it.
Yeah, you're good.
That's so good, Holly. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So welcome.
Thank you for taking the time to show Gwen how to do your art. Baking is a lot of work, but it is really cool. And then you get a tasty treat at the end.
Exactly.
I'm so sparked up. I better head back to the Artsy studio. Bye, everybody. Bye. Wow, art makes me so excited sometimes. And when I get really excited or mad or worried, I need to take a moment and take some deep breaths. I call them breathing breaks. I'm going to need to have a breathing break right now to calm down. Would you like to join me? Okay, my favorite way to do a breathing break is to breathe in all the sparkles in the air through my nose, and then I breathe them out and blow them into the world so that they can go on a magical journey. Do you want to try this with me? Okay, let's take a deep breath in through the nose and blow out the sparkles. That starts to feel much better. Let's do it again. And blow out. And one more time, breathe in through your nose. And breathe out. I feel so much more relaxed now. Thank you for joining me in a breathing break. Oh my goodness, how sparkalicious was that cake? Wow! Thank you so much for spending time with us today. I had so much fun with Gwen. Did you? We hope that we've inspired you to create your own design that we can make believable too. If you want to do a drawing, then get a grown-up to send it to us. Then you could come visit me here in the Artsy studio. I cannot wait to see what you create. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.